video ay mag-dress to impress tayo. For the team guys, it's fashion week, so I'm just starting to outfit. That I'm new here in TikTok channel at okay guys, so new ako dito talaga. Okay, the team ay fashion week. Ang galing mga fashions at saka may mga ads dito. May mga bago pala guys, kaya wala na naman kasi.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later. A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity. A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
Okay na pa. Okay na pa. So, first ay nag-hair muna tayo at saka huwag natin kalimutan yung outfit. Sino yung fashion dress ko? Wala ko naman outfit. Ayun, sasabihin dyan na pero binibigyan na naman. Cheating! Talaga, cheating! Cheating! Okay, it's romantic but just pop on it. 3. Okay. Fur top. We need a fur top. And, syempre, hindi ko alam kung i-color natin, pero i-color na lang natin mamaya. Kasi wala tayong masyadong time ngayon, guys. So, hindi ko nakapagtapos to. Kasi kanina nag-vlog ako tapos narong na naman ako at always retire time. Okay lang naman. Ayun guys, that suits, oh my god. Guys, so just need we need just the belt and color it. Yes, that like that. I'm going to color it with white. Yes, guys, and don't forget the and earring. Okay, I don't know what's happening in this game right now. But also don't forget that hat is always up there. Forget our hat. Lashes above. God, that's so cool. May nakalimutan tayo. Ayan guys. Hindi ko alam kung okay na lang ba ito. Pero let's try. Okay guys, so sorry for. Okay guys, so let's keep trying it. So let's keep it here. Kasi nalos ako dito ng gamit. Ayun guys, bago lahat. Hindi mo dito nakikita yung sa akin, no? We don't own any items under Kate Goldie. Okay, sorry guys. Wala. Okay guys. Mabilis na to guys matapos. Wala ko masyadong time. Guys, maganda to pero hindi ko guys na-abot. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's cringy, but I'm going to give it 2 stars to that. Hindi siya maganda, pero okay lang. At yung shoot niya ay left. Then ako, hindi na ako lang kasi hindi ko alam anong ikukulay sa naman. Okay, pero yung mukha ay pang babae talaga. Ito yung shoot niya guys. Oh my god, sabi ko nakapus pa na girl. Dahil talaga new ako dito. At saka, wait lang. Ito yung hair niya. Ito yung face. Oh my god, I don't really care. Hindi nakulayan yung, ano ba yun? Yung bag niya, pero okay lang. I will just give her. Oh, change it. Okay, this is me, guys. Hindi masyadong ice-tested. So, okay lang. Oh my God, guys. Natapusa ako dito kasi hindi ko alam yung gawin dito. Ayos na ito. So, guys, bago ko dito pero wala akong mga bago dito na outfit. Oh my God. I will really have to try because ang ganda ng mantek niya. Bilabo. Familiar siya guys. Wait lang. Parang siya yung sa YouTube channel. Bilabo yung pangalan niya. So, that's how the maganda ng mga suot niya. At saka, amazing pero wala naman necklace. At saka, okay lang. Pero, nangyari sa kanya. Kaya sa sapatos natin. Fashion week. Hindi, alam mo na tayo. Oh my God. Ito minute ang hina guys, sorry. But I will just give it a chili guys. Yung hina yung problema at saka hindi yung fashion week. Mga fashion week yung mga aesthetics at saka. Oh! I get to place on my vacation. Natural goes love of fashion which Cheetah, but vacation that probably. So I'm just where? English pa nga tayo. Kaya magbe-beach na ako. Na pang beach. Hindi yung bad word na beach. Talagang beach. Pang beach. Okay, yung magbe-beach tayo. At saka yung brown skin natin. Oh my God. Don't forget phases. Sobra natin per Latina. So, okay guys. Ito-try lang ko dito yung mga. At saka yung... Okay guys, yan yung napili kong phases. Sobrang Latino yung clip. I got to figure the hair because Latina. Pag yung pang beach na hairs ay yung naka-hair bow. Simple lang masyadong ganyan pero wala natin. Ito mo kasi Latina! Uy! Bakla talaga te. Latina nga pero pangit pa nga. Meow. Okay, that's count pero kunti lang yung time natin. Yari sa akin, te. Ayan. Okay, guys. Maganda to. Pero yung pattern ay let's change her pattern. Hair pattern. Pakain ka na ba ako? Pakain na ba ako? 5 more seconds. Oh my God. Okay. Ganyan. At syempre slippers. Never colored fine. Just need to get to coconut. Coconut. Walang iba kundi coconut. This make it white bawang. Sorry ma, alam mo naman. Kukuha tayo guys na. At saka huwag natin kalimutan yung sunglass. Wow, kasi I love color white na about pa. Hindi ko na gusto nitong corn bag, pero okay na. Change ko na lang dito na bag. Dito na bag. Yari! I'm just gonna... Okay, ayan na yung color pen. Problema natin yung coconut kasi nakakulog yung... Yan ano? Nakulog pa yung coconut. Ang ganda talaga ate. Yung coconut eh. Problema... Naku! Takot pa ako. We don't forget the... Sarap nito. Yari! So let's change the skirt. It's slayable. So don't forget the bill because ang ganda yung ito. Only flower. Siyempre, kukulayan natin ng pink. Sino naman? Kuha ka dito pero wala naman. So, let's get dito. At saka kulayan natin. Okay, maganda yan. Pero parang may kulang. Parang may kulang talaga. May kulang ba? May kulang. So, yan lang. Ayan. That is my final outfit. So, last to guys. Sorry, it's my last to my last ba. Ayun. Ako pala yung nag- Okay. Okay lang naman yan, pero malas tayo. Last tayo na mag-dress to impress. Pero, my God. Pero hindi ko alam yung safari, pero I will be with tree, but I don't know if safari. Safari! Okay, talaga kasi. Kung hindi talaga ako dito mauwi, ikaw talaga yun. Ano ba yun? Okay, pero... Wow, may post 28 pa. Galing naman, pero bugiri. Kasi kasi may nag-post 28. Church, ay! Wala. Mapapaya ba naman ganyan? Kasi hindi lang nasi-change yung hair niya talaga. So, okay lang. Let's my... What? Hindi ko rin masala. Posible. Garinig ko naman talaga. Oh my God. Kasi talaga tayo kalat talaga. At dito na i-end yung video at saka and don't like, mag-subscribe na lang kayo dito guys. Mag-subscribe lang kayo dito guys for sorry kung sinabi kong next last yung video natin. Okay lang guys, pero see you in my next video. Bye!